Hi there, this is Christopher Scoggins and welcome back to the 1 Minute Tech Lesson. Today we're going to be learning about Flash and tweening and the rolling ball. So let's get started, and we're going to open up a new document, and we're just going to click on there, and we can see this is what the Flash page looks like. And to be honest, it's a bit crowded, so we're going to click down here to remove a lot of the information that we don't really need. And this is the stage where we do most of our work. It's a little bit crushed at the top, so I'm going to drag that down a little bit so that I can see it a bit more clearly. Okay, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the whole ball rolling, if you like, by clicking on the keyframe 1 in our timeline, and that basically tells the computer where we want to start. Okay, so basically now we need to make a ball, and so we go over to the oval tool and we click on the oval tool, and then we go and choose a color, and we can choose any color we want to, and this one has been set at blue, so we're going to create a blue ball. So there you go, we got a blue ball, and we have to select it, so we basically just go to the black selection key and then we just double click it, and we can see that we have created a selected ball, and it now is saying, where do you want to go? So what we're going to do now is we're going to create a symbol. We're going to push F8, and we're going to type in the word circle in there, because that's what we're creating. And then we have to also choose a movie clip, because that's what we're creating as well. And we say OK. Okay, so now at the moment our animation is really only 1 frame in length. So what we really need to do is we need to click on the frame, probably 30 I suppose here, which is the length of time that the ball is going to be rolling. So this is kind of cool, and now what we have to do is we have to click on F5, and this is showing the gray area up here, showing exactly the timeline for the ball that is going to be rolling. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to click on keyframe number 1, and we're going to right click here, and this is the really important bit. We click on the create motion tween, which basically means that the computer is going to fill in all the spaces, all the balls in between the first ball and the last ball. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to tell it to basically go from 1 to 30, and we want it to move from left to right. So now all we have to do is we just drag the blue ball to the right to say where we want it to go, and now we just press the enter key, and you can see that the blue ball goes from left to right with no problem. We only did the first ball and the last ball, but the computer Flash program did everything else. So this is again a 1 minute tech lesson about Flash and the rolling ball.